Hello, in this video I would like to shortly introduce you to our new digital manifold Testo 550i. And in this video we will especially show you the Testo 550i Smart Kit. In this kit we deliver the Testo 550i with two wireless temperature probes, Testo 115i, so that everything that needs to be measured for superheat subcooling can be directly measured. Let's start right away with a look into the case. So in this set, the instrument is delivered, as I said, with 215 eyes. It comes in the smart case. The case consists of this side where the instrument and the two temperature probes are set. And then we have the other side of the case where we have compartment for a lot of different smart probes that can be added to this lineup to measure in the end everything that's required in your daily work. But let's focus on this side. In addition, we have this compartment here where we have the quick start instructions in for the 550i and the smart probes, and at the same time we have the calibration protocols showing the measurement accuracy of the instrument as they go out of production. Put this in, back, and then let's focus on the instrument. So the instrument is fixated by these two straps. We can take it out. And as you can see, it's a very small digital manifold. Actually the smallest on the market. It has no display, nothing. We will use it with our smartphone, tablet, with the Testo Smart app. I will show you in some seconds. On the back we have the hook and we have the battery compartment. But for startup nothing has to be done. Just switch it on. You can see here the LED will come up showing orange. Orange means we are waiting for a connection. How to do this connection? We can take the startup instructions. There's a QR code bringing you directly to the Smart app. So when we scan this QR code, a link will open. And this link directly brings you to your local app store where you can then download the Smart app. We have already done this before. So we can directly open the Smart app. Quick start instructions are not needed anymore. And then the 550i will directly connect to the app, showing you the pressure. We have here the structure, low pressure side, high pressure side. We then have the pressure values, and we have the theoretical temperatures that are calculated based on the refrigerant. The refrigerant you can choose here. For example, let's take R11. So that you can now see that the temperatures changed, the calculated temperatures. And for sure we can have a whole list of refrigerants. We can also say some refrigerants are now favorites. Let's take this as favorite. So it moves up the list, so you can do here however you like. And for sure to actually do a real measurement, we also need the temperature probes. So these probes come in this kit. Let's take them out. The only thing we have here to do is to remove this strap. Then the probes are directly switched on, as you can see again by the LED. It's blinking, searching for a connection. Now it's green, so it's already connected. We can also see it in the app that it's on the high pressure side, it's connected. Let's remove also this strap. And wait a second for the probe. Here it comes. So now everything is connected that we actually need for a measurement. The measurement actually in this app can be, you can decide if you only want to view the measurements in this screen, or you can start the measurement to also have access to a graphical view where you can choose the different values and show you the graphics. Or you can switch to a table view where all values are shown second by second. however you like it. We can then stop the measurement, save the measurement. It's saved in the app so that at a later point you can again have a look at the values. And from this screen we can then create reports as CSV or as PDF and send them out via email. So this is in general how we manage superheat subcooling, refrigeration measurements. And on the other hand, we have for sure in this app a lot of different other applications. So for example, this lineup here we have here can be there can be added 2 605 eyes for measuring target superheat, or you can do volume flow measurements with a Testo 4 or 5 eye. There are a lot of applications, a lot of possibilities, and this is just a starting point. Nevertheless, if you get this set, we really think you will enjoy it. Thank you.